The Park Station, we still have six stations left to explore. For those who would like to go to the next station, you may now proceed. Again po, for those who would like to go to the next station, you may now proceed.
Para na po.
Next one.
is a walk-through station. So entry po sa Volpet is only photos and videos po. Muli po, entry inside the Volpet po is not allowed. The reason po natin dito is that the Volpet, as you can see po, has white balls to further emphasize the laser show that is going on. So muli po, the best way to enjoy this station po is to take photos with flash or taking videos of the ongoing laser show. And once you're done po with taking photos and videos, feel free po to move to our next station, Wave of Masterpiece. Ayan po sa ating mga bagong dating, welcome po sa Portal of Lights. This station po is a walk-through station. So again po, feel free to take photos and videos of our bright lasers. So entry po sa ball pit again is not allowed since the balls are just for show and so that the laser will be further emphasized. So mga gusto na po mag-move sa ating next station, feel free po, since our next station po is Wave of Masterpiece. Ingat na lang po tayo sa mga edge if you're going to take photos para maiwasan po natin ang injury.
Teka, pipicturean ko yung ano, yung related sa ano namin. Excuse me ba? Wala, tutulungan kita.